Professor Ram Gopal Rao, Director IIT Delhi and Chairman of IIT Delhi Alumni Association, Shri Ravindra Kumar, President IIT Delhi Alumni Association, and dear IIT Delhi alumni, it is indeed a matter of great happiness for me to join here with some of the brightest minds of the country. At the onset, I congratulate you on the occasion of IIT Delhi Alumni Faculty Day and extend my greetings to all. Here I can see a unique combination of top-class institutions like IIT Delhi and its highly successful alumni and faculty members. IIT Delhi has been our premier institute. It is a powerhouse of entrepreneurial talent. Today, we see the IIT Delhi alumni at top positions of leading organizations in the world. Many of the flagship companies are owned by them, started by them, promoted by them, and they are ever ready to support their alma mater. In their own unique way, I must mention here that last year, in graceful presence of Honorable President of India, the IIT Delhi Endowment Fund was created. This is really inspirational and has motivated many other institutions. Talented and motivated faculty members play a highly important role in the success of any institutions and the students. This is true with IIT Delhi also. I had many opportunities in the past month to witness this. With the support from past students, the center has encouraged the Department of Technology for promotion of non-traditional energy sources and encouraging environment preserving practices. During COVID pandemic also, IIT Delhi faculty members designed and developed one of the cheapest COVID-19 detection kit. Many such technological breakthroughs are achieved by the institution under the able guidance of the faculty members. To support this, an equally vibrant ecosystem is also needed, and that is why, under the dynamic leadership of our visionary Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and able guidance of our Educational Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, our ministry has brought in the National Education Policy 2020. It is the most comprehensive, transformational and futuristic policy document in educational history of this country. We recognize that the teacher must be at the center of the fundamental reforms in the education system. The new education policy endeavors to re-establish teachers at all levels as the most respected and essential member of our society, because they truly shape our next generation of citizens. It endures to do everything to empower teachers and help them to do their job as effectively as possible. The new education policy guides us to recruit the very best and brightest to enter the teaching profession at all levels by ensuring livelihood, respect, dignity and autonomy, while also instilling in the system basic methods of quality control and accountability. My dear friends, the world and the India too is changing at much faster pace, thanks to the innovations happening in every field of economy and life. Young innovators have changed the face of technology-enabled economy. Especially in the recent years, the Digital India campaign launched by Honorable Prime Minister Adarniya Shri Narendra Modi ji has unleashed a wave of innovations in technology field. The vibrant startup ecosystem is being built up on solid foundations of innovation culture. To make our nation Atmanirbhar, we need to have broader and diversified innovation culture in our higher educational institutions. Along with the traditional and new technology, important fields like agriculture, environment, health also requires the attention of young innovative minds. I urge you to encourage them to think about the innovations that can reduce the farming cost and maximize the gain of our farmers, while protecting the quality of soil, water, air and environment. Let the students think about the existing problems in various fields and also even in the nearby locality and try to develop innovative, affordable solutions. With the help of technology, collaborate with other like-minded institutions for exchange of ideas. Involve industry leaders, venture capitalists, and give the students the much required insight from the experienced mind. I am sure that you all will work in this field also. Quality higher education is bedrock of nation building and engine of national productivity. Apart from academic excellence, the top class education institutes play a big role in bringing out the best in every student and ensure his or her overall development. Therefore, I believe that apart from setting higher standards in academic excellence, it is also important to expand the role outside the academic sphere. This may include mentoring of other educational institutions in the neighborhood in improving their academic excellence. You may also think of sharing your experience with other government, non-government institutions to help them deliver their services in more effective manner, or to help the local community to address other problems like environmental degradation, energy security, reducing input cost in farming, or say helping MSMEs, etc. This on one hand will bring the academics closer to the real world issues, and on the other hand will actively encourage the students to put their brain and energy into such issues, making them active agents in building new India. With this word, I once again congratulate the IIT Delhi alumni faculty and wish you all the best in all your future endeavors. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद.